Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to order and pay on Shop app, right? So once you open the Shop app for the first time, you have to just click on get started, right? So once you click on get started, it will just take a few seconds. So we'll just wait here. So here you will get this two option, connect with Google or sign in email. If you want to skip, then you can just skip from here. So I'll just click on connect with Google. Because guys, it's very important to track your orders over the Shop app. I will just click on continue. So I have successfully, connected with my Google account, right? And of course, we can choose here. So I will choose this. And I will just click on next once you're here. So let me show you how to order and pay on Shop app, right? So I'll just click on OK. And for example, let's say that I just want to order this one, right? Yeah, it's 50% off. And I will just click on buy now, right? And it's exactly the same how you buy it over the different places. You have to just add your number here, then you will get a code. Then guys, you have to select your country as well as your address. So guys, here in the payment section you can just enter your card number, your expiry date, as well as your CVV number and the card number, right? Then we will just click on continue to review, right? So make sure you just add all this information and then you will able to shop over the Shop app. So it's very easy. You have to select a product, whichever product you like. Then you have to add your address, your phone number, right? And then you have to enter your payment details. Once you enter your payment details, it will automatically take order from you, and in a few days it will get delivered to your address, right? So this is it guys. I hope you found this video very useful.